have yet another easy sum which we are going to see from the not-for-profit organizations lesson chapter 2 for standard 12. Right, so this sum is about Ramanathapuram Sports Club, and they've asked us to prepare the final accounts of this sports club for the year December 2018. They have given us the receipts and payments account. So first let's start with the income and expenditure account, and then we will go into the balance sheet. So this is a very easy sum. It has only 2 adjustments, so it is very easy. So we started with giving the heading, the title of the sum in the books of Ramanathapuram Sports Club, and income and expenditure account for the year ended December 2018. Then the format of the income and expenditure following on the debit side with the expenditure and the credit side incomes. We are going to start with the receipt side of the receipts and payments account, which will be posted on the income side, the credit side of the income and expenditure account. So the first item, balance as per cash in hand and cash at bank, is the opening balance, which doesn't come in the income and expenditure. So we're going to start with subscription. So the current year subscription is rupees 33,000, and then we have is entrance fees. Then we have general donations which are recorded in the income side. Specific donations go to the balance sheet. And then we have sale of old sports material. The difference between sports material and sports equipment being an asset, material becomes an income or the expenditure, a revenue item. Next we have is miscellaneous receipts. So other than the opening cash and bank balance, everything else will be recorded in the income and expenditure account on the income side. Let's move on to the payment side. That is, we'll be recording the revenue payments on the expenditure side, the debit side of the income and expenditure account. So in this we are going to record, firstly is rent, second entertainment expense. Furniture is an asset, so it doesn't come. Sports material purchased, we have an adjustment regarding sports material purchase, therefore we'll be doing the adjustments. Then we have is match expenses, which will be recorded. Investment is an asset, so it won't be recorded. And closing balance of the cash and balance will not be recorded in the expenditure side. So when we record sports material or the stock of sports material, a very simple format is followed, which will be opening stock of the material purchased, opening stock of the material, plus you will add the purchase of the material minus the closing stock of the particular sports material or the stationery or whatever it may be, the stock of that particular material. This is a simple format which is followed, through which we have also done, and we've got the net amount which is written on the outer column. On completing the recording of both the sides, the income and the expenditure, both the sides are added individually separately and compared. The greatest side is taken up as a grand total and the least side falls our answer. So in this problem, the least side is the debit side. It is a surplus. Next we start with the balance sheet. We start on the liability side with the capital fund, which is given in the adjustments. With the capital fund we are going to add the surplus. Then I'm going to record the closing stock of sports material again from the adjustment. So with this, both the adjustments are over. We just got to take the assets and the remaining liabilities from the receipts and payments account, which is given. We have just one liability to record from the receipt side, the receipts received in advance for the year 2019, which will be taken from the receipt side and recorded on the liabilities. With that, we go ahead with tallying our balance sheet. Both the assets and the liabilities add to 48,300. With that, the sum comes to an end.